The Z1500GY is an outdoor pan-tilt zoom camera designed to work with a standalone DVR. When you receive your camera, you will get the camera, a 24-volt 2-amp AC power supply, a wall mounting bracket, and a user manual. The camera comes fully assembled and ready to use with the following dip switch settings: protocol Pelco D, a baud rate of 2400, and an address of 1. The Z1500GY features a 1/4-inch Sony Color CCD image sensor and displays at 480 TV lines. It also features a 3.25 to 88mm variable lens and is capable of one group of 16 cruise presets. The camera can operate on a minimum illumination of 0.11 lux and is capable of a 27-time optical zoom. The camera also features a 355-degree pan action and 90-degree tilt action, with speeds up to 6 degrees per second. The camera also features an autofocus and auto iris, as well as heater and fan to assist with operation in extreme conditions. The camera comes with a 24-volt AC power adapter and weighs about 6.7 pounds. To begin setup, remove the dome by unscrewing the 3 screws with a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver. The dip switches are located to the left of the camera. The first 4 are to set the protocol. The default protocol is Pelco D. The next 8 switches are to set the baud rate and address. The default baud rate is 2400. The corresponding dip switch setting for a baud rate of 2400 is 1 off, 2 on. The address is set by using switches 3 through 8. Default address is 1, which corresponds to switch 8 on. Once the dip switch is set, the corresponding settings must be changed within the DVR. To do this, go to the main menu, Devices, PTZ. Change the settings under the column of the channel that the camera will be connected to. In this case, Pelco D, 2400, and address 001. Connect your speaker wire into the DVR RS-485 ports. Use 2 distinctly marked wires as the positive and negative. Connect the wires to the RS-485 wires coming out of the PTZ camera. For the Z1500GY, the dash wire is positive and the solid black wire is negative. Plug the BNC video cable into the DVR input chosen when making the settings on the DVR. Plug in the supplied 24-volt AC power adapter into the wall outlet and then into the camera. An OSD will pop up "Hello" and the camera will home. Using a mouse, maximize the channel that the PTZ camera is connected to by double-clicking. With the channel maximized, right-click and select PTZ. The PTZ GUI will show up and you can now control your new PTZ camera. The camera is capable of rotating 355 degrees and tilting 90 degrees. There are a few settings within the camera itself that should be set before mounting the PTZ camera. On the back of the camera itself is a menu button with directional arrows around it. With the camera still plugged in, press the menu. An OSD will show up. An option to take into consideration is the focus. By scrolling down to focus, the option can be changed between manual and auto by pressing the right or left directional arrows. Now, take a look at this camera in action.